Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you use your electronic device while hanging out on the couch, then you have to have this awesome lap desk from Gimars. This is such a convenient and great way for us to be able to sit on the couch in a nice, comfortable position, but still have a nice wide desk area. This lap desk is great because it's so multifunctional for my family. Personally, I love to use it when I'm utilizing my computer. It gives me enough space for my computer and an additional area where I can put a little notebook as I'm taking notes. This lap desk was so nicely designed. It has two bolsters underneath which are soft yet firm, so it gives me just enough raise where I'm not kind of kinking my neck down to look at my laptop. I also like the additional details of the little compartments and especially the drawer underneath. In that little spot, my son loves to hide his colored pencils so that he has easy access when he's creating his masterpieces. One feature that was really important for me ergonomically was the wrist rest too. When we are using our devices on the couch, sometimes we're not holding ourselves in the best positions. Using that little rest pad and also just raising up our device a little bit really helps us to feel a little bit more ergonomically correct. So if you're looking for a little bit of desk space while you're still relaxing on the couch, I would definitely check out this lap desk. But that's just my point of view.